It's that time again. We gotta change our air filter. We're here in the Bradleys. So in order to do this guy, we're gonna reach right up here. There's a little knob. You're just gonna open that right on up. Should just be hand tight. We're gonna pop this cover right on down. Don't lose this guy now. You can either hold it or screw it right back in the holder there. Take this air filter. We use 18 by 20s here in the Bradleys. This here is our airflow arrow. This guy is going to go into the system. The reason why we have this little nice net here, it's going to catch all this loose fiberglass from going into the system and just make it run better. So here we go, we have our new filter, our arrow, 18 by 20. It slides right in there. Sometimes you have to bend it just a little. It's a real tight fit, but it'll fit. We'll take that screw right back out. Take our cover. Pop it right back on here. Screw it right back in. That's how we change our air filters. If you have any questions, contact the office. Also pick you up a free air filter. We have them all day. Thank you.